Drywall dust settling on your furniture during sanding can totally wreck your stuff if you're not careful. So, first off, you gotta cover all your furniture with plastic sheets or drop cloths. Like, literally wrap it up so no dust sneaks through. Seal off the room by taping plastic over doors and vents, so dust doesn't spread everywhere else in your house. When sanding, use a sanding block or an electric sander with a dust collection bag attached to keep most of that dust contained. If you don't have one, try wet sanding where possible to keep dust down. After sanding, don't just wipe surfaces with a dry cloth. Instead, use a slightly damp rag to trap the dust instead of just moving it around. Open windows and run a fan to push dust outside, but be careful about where the airflow goes so you don't blow dust into other rooms. Vacuum the room thoroughly with a vacuum that has a HEPA filter to catch all those tiny dust particles. Lastly, wear a mask so you're not breathing in drywall dust, because that stuff can mess with your lungs. One of the biggest drywall sanding mistakes is skipping the covering step, which leads to dust ruining your furniture and making cleanup a nightmare. Solution: always cover and seal the area before starting. Another common problem is sanding dry without any dust collection system, which fills the air with fine dust. Fix this by using a sander with a vacuum attachment or doing some wet sanding to keep dust levels low. The third mistake is poor cleanup after sanding, where people just brush off surfaces and leave dust everywhere. Instead, use damp cloths and proper vacuuming to actually remove dust and avoid lingering particles. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and treat your home right. For contractors, it's an awesome way to get connected with real projects and build up your business with people who need your skills.